participle, and third one perfect participle. Present participle, ing form of the verb. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Verb plus
ing.
And past participle is
Verb third form.
verb third form, and perfect participle.
Having plus
What do you mean by
Having
perfect participle stands for having
plus verb third form.
plus verb
Third form.
third form. And gerund also verb plus ing. And function as what? Subject, object, complement, and prepositional object. Okay? And what is difference between gerund and participle? Because both having the same structure, ing form of the verb, and this is also ing form of the verb. Let's see the difference between these two, gerund and participle. So now I am going to tell you the difference between gerund versus participle. Participle. Okay? Gerund verb plus ing, and participle is also verb plus ing. And gerund is called verbal noun. Verbal noun. To verbal noun, and participle is called
Verbal adjective.
verbal adjective. Verbal adjective. Okay, let's some example here. Aman stop writing a letter. And second sentence is Dara Singh okay,
Yes, sir.
stopped a running train. Anybody can tell me what difference between these two? Because here writing is also verb plus ing, and running is same pattern, verb plus ing. How can you tell me the difference between these two?
Sir.
Yes, you said. Yeah.
So writing is a verb and running is present participle.
Present participle. Writing is not a verb. Okay?
Sir.
You can answer.
So because here the running is defining the quality of the train, it means running train. So you are using it as a verb, verbal adjective.
Verbal adjective. Okay, very good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So dear students, you need to try to understand and you necessary to keep in your mind the difference between these two sentence and ing form. And we are studying the gerund versus participle. And here main verb is stop, and it is having subject. That's why this is called finite verb. And what stopped it? Writing. So writing is a gerund because it functions as object of this verb. Okay. And in the second sentence, Dara Singh stopped a running train. Running train is noun, and this ing form qualify the noun and modify the noun. That's why this is function as
Adjective.
adjective. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubt? No doubt. I'm going to give you some sentences so that you can differentiate between gerund and participle. Swimming is a good exercise. Okay? A sentence. Second is, I like swimming now. Third sentence, one thing, men are generally found anywhere. Okay? Salman killed a running deer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Barking
That side.
dogs seldom bite. Okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the testing time of yours, and you have to tell me the difference between these sentences. Which function here ing, and this is also ing, and here is fourth form of the verb, and running is also ing form, and here barking dog. And you have to answer the difference between participle and gerund. In the first sentence, what is swimming?
Sir.
Swimming.
Sir, can I?
My question is, what is swimming in the first sentence?
Sir,
Yeah.
subject.
Subject.
Yeah.
This is the main verb,
Yeah.
and it is function as subject. Okay. That's why this is noun. Its function as noun. That's why we can say this is gerund.
Gerund.
Okay.
Yes.
Sit down. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
In second sentence, I like swimming. Swimming. This is ing form,
Yes.
and you have to tell me what type of the function of this word in the sentence. Anybody can tell me?
Sir.
Yeah, stand up.
Sir, object.
Object. This is the main verb. This is called finite verb. Okay? Because it has subject of its own, I. Okay? And this is the object of this verb, and object can function as a noun.
Yeah.
Okay? That's why this is gerund. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
And here